I'm sorry. A green rain descended upon the valley? What the hell is a green rain? Oh my. A green rain. Okay, I'm done. Oh, and there's moss everywhere from the green rain. Ah! Sorry, guys. Okay, this is the last day. I swear. It's a green rain. I mean, I'm sorry. A green rain? You understand. A green rain descended. I mean, you understand. Saw the weather report last night. I'm not sure what will happen. If anyone wants to take shelter of the saloon, I'll keep it open all day. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I just have to deal with this, guys. Listen, if you want to stay, that's fine. If you don't, there's a green rain going on, and this is. Have you ever seen them this big? Mossy seed. No one's seen this before. And do you hear the ASMR? I've never seen so much moss in my fucking life. Someone has to clip the moss, please. Please, don't make me clip my own moss. This is the most elegant surprise. Yeah, this